Hello everyone, today I'm going to play a map I build. Yeah, I actually build like a helicopter up there. I try to make it to look like a helicopter, but it turned out kind of bad. But here we go, we're gonna play it. Yeah. I don't dress like this. This is just for today, cause I let one of my brother choose color. So today he chose yellow, and I made a SpongeBob. So I picked this one. Yeah, let's play. Choose bot. Dang it! I'll be. I'm gonna have to join from that. That happens. Nothing too serious. Keep playing Piggy. I'll get back to you guys when it loads. Alright, and now we're back. I also forgot to mention, shout out to my first subscriber. I forgot his name, but in the next video I'll mention him because maybe I'll remember the next video. Also, the first 10 people that subscribe, I'll give them a shout out. Yeah. Alright, now let's get to playing. Again, this happened again. I'll get back to you when I really get to playing. Alright, so see you guys. Alright, I also forgot to mention at the start of the video that to introduce myself. So I am Money Pichu. Obviously not my real name. I have a real name. If any one of you want to check out my Roblox, can't talk right now. My Roblox avatar, no, my Roblox profile, and wanna follow me, do that. My Roblox name is Money_Pichu. Also, I'm gonna give, also, if you want to follow my brothers, it's Not Angel Oscar. Also, if you want, you could join my group. Sorry if you're not in the second rank, because that's, for people I know. You guys will be in the first rank, but I'll try to make everything better. I'll try to upgrade my group, so yeah. Let me try to load this in. Alright. So it keeps loading. Then what it does is it lags a little bit, but this pops up. So I don't know how to take that off. I think it's because of my phone. Yeah, I have a laggy phone. Not that high quality. So you guys can check out, I'm going to show you guys the airplane. Just so you know, this map is open for anyone. Look, see it, anyone? Yeah, anyone can join. Let me show you in the airplane. So yeah, I have this thing, not that good. I didn't make it that good. I spent a lot of time on it. Here's where the person sits. This is the back of it, the whole thing. Here are where the launchers are, the guns. Let me show you how a close view. This is how it is. Yeah, so let me try to play again. Hopefully it'll let me. Finally let me. Finally. Alright, let's play. Also, leave a comment down below what you want me to play too. Hopefully not that high quality. I don't have a laptop. I don't have nothing. I just have a phone. Sorry. When I get a laptop or a desktop or a computer, I'll actually start uploading more videos. Sometimes it may be in the phone because maybe it's for other reason. I know there's a little vent there. I saw that. I'm not blind. It's just that I don't like going through that because I'm not a van camper. And yeah, I actually complete all the maps. Actually, yeah, that's my brother in here. Yeah, he is a van camper.
Yeah.
I'm not a van camper. Dang it, it didn't let me shoot.
Well,
Oh,
camp
God.
sometimes.
Angel, my brother, well, let's just make up a nickname. Money Jr. Alright. Alright, also
That's
leave
not my
a comment
real
down below what nickname do you want me to also call you guys? So like I have an idea and I could call you that as your nickname. Let me try to beat the map real quick. Let's go under here, let's go under here, let's go. Got the blue key. Let's go. Sorry if I sound kind of a girl, cause when I try to sound deep, because I'm a boy for real. I know I might sound like a girl, and let's see, and recording. Sorry if I sound like that, and sorry about the lag. I don't have like a high quality phone. I play maps, I make maps, in Piggy. I don't like making, build mode. I don't like making, making, maps. Also, I will do a face reveal of me and my brother in the future if we get 100 subscribers. Every little thing. Alright. Every little thing we do, if you guys subscribe, or we may do an early one if you can get this to like 3 likes. 3 likes, all I'm asking. 3 likes. Yeah, we may do that. Yeah, I'm starting off short, nothing too bad. Yeah. Let me try this again. Piggy's on phone. Oof, okay, I haven't done that. I have to do this the hard way. Why do I keep going to this room? The real room is here. Also, I don't know if I mentioned this in the start, but this is open for anyone. Anyone that has a Roblox account, you can come in, play. Come on. Dang it. Oh, gosh. I'd never get past. Well, I have be in there. Let me try one more time. Also, leave a comment down below what you guys want me to play else. What else do you guys want me to play? And then yeah, and also my brother says that to tell you guys that he also plays with me sometimes, most of the times. Yeah, he's not playing right now because he wants to play a different game. But that's alright. Yeah. Maybe one video I'll put it as me and my brother play together. Yeah. Get back to you guys when I beat it. When I beat my map. So, yeah. Oh, I also forgot to say, my group, if you guys, any of you guys want to join, is Peacemaker. I may make it sooner. May make it sooner. Like Money Pichu's fan group, and if Roblox watching this, star code. If they're gonna give me a star code, I would like money, just money, just money, cause I don't know any YouTubers that have that. So yeah, oh, I don't know what to say, but see you guys when I beat the map. I drew the angry face because this happened. Look at the timer. Look at the timer. You see that timer? That's what happened. Can't believe it won't let me play. And look what happened. I just died. Huh.
Oh God.
Let me do all this. Also, I will show how I record like this. So in a future video, maybe in the 5th video I make. So yeah, see you guys till when I beat that. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry guys that I can't show you the ending of this, but maybe in the next video I'll show you the ending. If I can, I will. Until next time, see you guys. Wait, before we go, if we could add a cutscene, since you know the cutscene, not a lot of you know, but the cutscenes in Piggy are like that you go straight. But if Minitoon adds a cutscene that you can make cutscenes and make a character, my character would be like just a regular character, and I'll make them like say that like give me bullets, so and I'll get Piggy, and so that would be my character I would make. Also, I would make my cutscene like me and him fly away in the helicopter. Yeah. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.